Morning. It's now Wednesday, 7:30 in the morning. We've just got into Gran Canaria, so didn't film anything yesterday because we were basically, it was a sea day, so we just lounged about, didn't do much, did a little talk on street art. That was interesting, and the rest of the day we just chilled out, regenerated our batteries, ready for a couple of port days. Just trying to find on this side of the ship I'll be able to show you the port we're at. That side's just a bit industrial, where the actual boat is docked. So let's have a look at this side. Weather's quite nice as well, it's quite warm. There we go. This is the port of Las Palmas in Gran Canaria. So somebody said to us that if we walk through a shopping centre, there's a lovely beach with a promenade with all cafes and stuff. That says to me that it's over that side, but it does look like there's a bit of a beach there, so I'm not sure. We'll grab a coffee, have some breakfast, and then go and wander off the ship and explore, see what's around. Don't think we're doing a great deal today unless we see something that we fancy, like the toboggan, the tuk-tuk that we saw in Madeira. That was spur of the moment, just saw him going past and flagged him down, so we'll see if anything similar is here. Got my morning costa.
Morning, I'm up.
Got Madge up. We're just walking now, we just got off the ship. And we're walking, have a look what's there. Like I said, I don't think there'll be much here, but apparently it's a nice beach, so go and explore. Just walked 10 minutes from the ship through the little town and we got to this nice looking beach. Promenade with all cafes on it and stuff. It's like a nice place to chill for the day.
A couple of hours until we get bored.
Wasting money on cures, forgot how to fix myself. They say that time is free, then why is it so precious? Oh, I'll save memories in my head, like Polaroids on walls. They remind you to look ahead. Time is running out. Time is running out.
That's it, we've had a couple of hours on the beach, a little wander through town and the shopping centre. And then
Pegs for our towels.
yep, we're just going to nip back to the ship, just for have lunch and make further plans of what to do this afternoon. Nice day though.
It is, it's lovely. It's not too hot.
No, it's a big ship. So we had a few hours on the ship, recharged the batteries, had lunch, and now we've got changed, ready for tea, and we've headed back off. Probably see it in the background there actually. Headed back out just for a little wander around the town before tea.
Trying to walk off some of the cake we've consumed.
Yep, and we set sail at about 10 o'clock tonight, and we've got to be back on by 9:30, but we'll be back on for tea at 6:30. Can't miss tea.
No, full 3-course meal that we've not had all week.
Every night. Apart from
even
celebration night, and it's 5-course meal.
Yeah, we had lunch as well, 3 courses yesterday.
Oh yeah, love a 3 course. This is deck 7, the promenade deck. You can walk the full length of the ship on this one. All the way back there to all the way there, but they're painting it down there, so we're going to have to go back in. Deck 7's where all the bars are, so we always end up coming to 7 and then working out where we need to go from there. Right. It's Malabar, there's some music on tonight in here. These are where they come and get your photos, professional one. I haven't had any of them done, have we?
No, it's expensive.
Yeah, the individual ones are £10 each, I think.
25.
Oh, 25 then, that's why we didn't have any done. This is a solo, we have a solo traveller meet and greet every night before tea. It's quite nice for the people on their own. That's the nightclub, Manhattan. Late night drinks in there. Now we're at the back of the ship. Here's what's on the menu tonight. Thank you, yeah. That's it, Gran Canaria ticked off, and the Lanzarote, and then back to Tenerife on Friday.
It's meant to be a silent disco that's going on behind us.
Yeah, it's not that silent. There's Gran Canaria as we sail away. I wonder what they're listening to. Anyway, that's it. So that's it for Gran Canaria. See you tomorrow when we wake up in Lanzarote. It's my favourite part of the night.
Because he's not had enough food.
The 11 PM buffet.
That's what I had.
11 PM treats, the best treats. Grab some of this, take you back to the room, innit? With some hot chocolate.
I'm just having hot chocolate.
Oh, I better get me sausage and chips then. Morning. So we're in Lanzarote now. It's actually really smooth overnight. It didn't slept right through. It's lovely. So I think we're in a place called Arrecife. Just give you a quick scan. Looks like a bit of a wander to get to the city today. Looks like the main city is there. Looking at it, there are shuttle coaches and things apparently to take us, drop us off somewhere. So we're just having our breakfast and then we'll discover what the crack is. Nice day though. That's it for Lanzarote. We're not far off leaving the port now. It's been alright, so better than we expected. We had a wander into town. It's quite a nice little town. Nice promenade. Now they just looks like they're just getting ready to pull the gangway away, and then I think we'll be on our way. One more stop left.
Yeah, Tenerife tomorrow.
Tenerife tomorrow, and then we're overnight there. So we leave on Saturday. I think we're going to go Loro Parque if we can tomorrow. We can work out the bus.
Fingers crossed.
Wait for two stragglers. Turned up eventually.
Have you got the footage on your phone?
Yeah, I've got the footage on my phone. I've got it here.
You were checking the cruise cards.
go get ready for tea.
Another day done.
Yeah, and then the show is a magic show tonight. Apparently designed by Stephen Mulwyn and Johnny Wilkes, aka Robbie's mate.
We're presuming that's who they mean.
So we'll cut, that's a wrap. Tell them where you are.
We came here for the first couple of nights and they've not been quite since. Have we?
No.
Need to get your man for a drink.
Shiraz, please. Cheers, wife.
Cheers.
Nearly over. One more day.
That's strong.
Yeah. When we came into this bar at the beginning of the week, it was pretty empty. Can't even get a table now. We're right up the corner, aren't we? We have been telling everyone all week though how good it's been. So it's probably our fault. Morning.
Morning.
We've just jumped in a taxi to the bus station. Went to the tourist information and she told us what bus to get. It's cost €16 return for both of us, so €8 each. It's not too bad. The taxi was €10 to get to the bus station. We could have walked it, but it was about half an hour. So we've decided to get in a taxi. The bus station's quite busy.
It's Friday morning.
Friday morning, rush hour.
Bit of rain this morning.
Yeah, raining this morning as well. So that bus journey was about 35-40 minutes.
Yeah. We may have got off a little.
Yeah, we're not sure if we got off at the right stop, but we've got about a 15-minute walk now to Loro Parque. We got off in Porta de la Cruz.
Yes, I want to cross.
Why?
It's nice to that side of the road.
Yeah, but the park's on this side.
It's nice to walk.
Yeah, Porta de la Cruz. We got off the coach. It was easy enough. And then just a nice wander down. Weather's a bit iffy this morning. It's a lot fresher than it has been, and it's been raining all morning.
And we haven't got a coat.
We haven't got our big coats. We'll be alright though, it's not that cold. The sea's just behind there. We have arrived. Old Red of Neck.
Oh, leave it alone.
Does that mean you're a redneck?
No,
Well, you've got a redneck.
I have got a very redneck. It was from Lanzarote yesterday. We were going to a shopping centre and didn't factor in. I'd need some cream walking back.
Okay, so we probably should have pre-booked, because Nat said she saw it for €28 online. Whether she was right or not, I don't know, but we paid 40 on the gate. With the exchange rate, it works out at 35 quid each. About standard for a zoo, really, isn't it? So you just had an old lady fall. Are you okay?
I think so.
She's got a boo-boo. Because she's not wore appropriate footwear.
I have.
They're not appropriate though, because you went arse over.
Very slippy.
Hola. 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 train drops us off in Puerto de la Cruz. It's quite rugged. Last pre-evening drink. Yeah, white wine for me. I'm just wasting time here before we go in for lunch in 15 minutes. These are all the solo travellers. They meet up every night before dinner and have a chinwag. So yeah, we're going to enjoy this and then go and enjoy our last meal. Cheers. So tonight I think I'm going to have the croquette and probably the sirloin, and then sticky toffee pudding for dessert, I think. I forgot I started tucking in first. Nice.
So I think the machines kept breaking, so instead of going to manual.
Right.
Okay, that's it. Cruise all done. We've had our last evening meal, which was nice. We've had a few drinks up in the Planet Bar. That was nice as well. Had quite a few wines just to get used out of that drinks package. We've just got one 11 o'clock buffet left, which is my favourite part of the cruise.
Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate, sausage and chips, and that's in 10 minutes. And then basically it's
Cases are packed outside.
yeah, cases are packed, left outside the door. They come and pick them up, and the next time we'll see them is at Gatwick tomorrow. But yeah, that's basically a week Canary cruise on P&O Azura.
Done?
Yeah, done, all done. Thank you.
I don't think I've been on this that much. I've normally been in bed when you've been doing
Yeah,
these.
you've been in bed, yeah. So this is us signing out. Next time you see us will be in a few months. We're going to Croatia for my 40th.
Might be a couple of caravan trips in between, but probably not too many.
Maybe, yeah. We'll see. Anyway, bye.
Right.